Jane Goodall, an esteemed primatologist, anthropologist, and conservationist, has passed away at 91. A pioneer in ecological studies, she was born in London and Bournemouth, where her passion for animals began early. Her legacy includes groundbreaking discoveries that reshaped our understanding of primates, such as their complex social behaviors and tool use, which she documented in her book, The Wild, 2004. As a tireless advocate, she worked tirelessly to protect endangered species, including chimpanzees in Tanzania's Gombe National Park, where she earned her PhD in ethology from Cambridge University. In 1977, she founded the Jane Goodall Institute, a global organization dedicated to improving the lives of primates through education and legal action. Goodall's efforts led to significant advancements in women's participation in STEM fields, with women's representation rising from 7% to 26% over 6 decades. She also launched Roots Shoots, a global program to raise awareness about environmental issues. In 2002, she received the United Nations Messenger of Peace Award, continuing her commitment to conservation, even as she approached her 80s. Her innovative approach to climate change mitigation, supported by partnerships like Mattel's Barbie doll model 2022, highlighted her influence beyond academia. Despite her passing, her impact endures, inspiring future generations to explore and protect the world.